Hello, everybody. Good day. This is Miss Zhang, and welcome, researchers, to Practical Research 2 with me. And this is already the fifth video for SPSS. I already had a SPSS tutorials on correlation, descriptive correlational study, wherein in order to um, uh, identify the statistical tool we used in order to see if there is really a significant relationship between the variables was Pearson R, right? That's for correlational. And also I have uploaded already comparative design. Like for example, you have two groups like male and female, for example, and you have one variable, and you would like to see if there's a difference between the two groups with this particular variable. And for that, we had independent t-test, right? Or t-test for independent samples, and that was already uploaded um, yesterday. Now, since we already had the design for correlational design and descriptive correlational design done, and for comparative design done, the t-test. Now let's have um, regression. This is for what? Predictive correlational design. So take note that regression is a step up level from the what's that Pearson R. Pearson R is just to identify whether this variable has a significant relationship with the other variable. That's it, Pearson R. And to step up that, oh, okay, so establish na the two variables really have a relationship between each other, with one another. So, okay, since na-establish naman nga, these variables are correlated, meaning na sila yung relationship, sige, let's move one step further, and let's see if this variable, no, can predict this other variable. Okay, so step up level na siya ang regression. Alright, now, that's what we're going to talk about for this video. And if you've noticed, ang screen is this is the CARS nga questionnaire, computer anxiety rating scale, developed by Heinzen, Class and Knight in 1987. And this is a 5-point Likert scale, wherein 1 is strongly disagree, neutral, agree, and 5 is strongly agree. And oh, by the way, I would like to apologize if there's like background noise of some construction work, because I am near a place nga medyo saba, but don't worry, since I am already making my voice louder so that you are able to hear me and understand well. So this is a CARS anxiety a questionnaire, computer anxiety rating scale. Suppose that this is my variable. Okay, this is my first variable, computer anxiety. Okay, and my second variable is academic performance. Now, the premise of my study is, does computer anxiety significantly predict my grade, no, in computer subject? Okay, so specific na. So I'd like to see if kanang ang anxiety ba sa usa ka student, no, to use computer, does that significantly predict iyang grado? For example, the more anxious siya, less baka iyang grado, or the more anxious siya to use the less anxious to use computer, musaka ba ang iyang grade? Okay, or musaka ang iyang anxiety niya, musaka sa iyang grade, or mulo ang iyang anxiety. So kana, you would like to see a prediction, no, sa kana nga certain variable. So this is computer anxiety is my first variable, and my second variable is academic performance. Does computer anxiety significantly predict my grade? Okay, so let's see. Now, ang kani siya nga questionnaire, no, kay 19 ra kabuok ang iyahang questions. So 19 na siya taman. And then again, this is a gentle reminder, no, that's why I chose this particular kanang questionnaire. If you've noticed na ay mga items nga na ay asterisk, like this number 2 na ay asterisk, number 4, 5, 6, 7 na ay asterisk, number 9 and 10 na ay asterisk, number 17 na number 19 na ay asterisk. Dili kita ang nagbuot-buot ana ha, dili kita ang researchers nagbuot-buot ana, kundi ang naana siya sila Heinstein, Glass and Knight ang nagmugna ani nga scale. So sila ang nagbutang ana nga asterisk. What does that mean? So, if you will scroll down, note na siya dira. Ang kaning asterisk indicates items that are reverse scored. Therefore, kung naa na siya kanang unsa na asterisk, reverse ang iyang scoring. Miss, dili day kami ang magbuot kung reversely scored ang item. Dili kamo ang magbuot. Yes, dili kita ang magbuot-buot ana researchers na ana siya makita sa asaman naka-indicate na dira. Miss, what if miss sa ako ang paper sa ako ang kanang unsay tawag ani kanang sa akong questionnaire kay walay ingon ana, like for instance academic motivation scale manino niya kanang because I need to go to school blah 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 because it's koan like this like that niya sa ubos. To use this, you only mention compare thank you for your interest, good luck, and then walay naka-state nga this is reverse scored. So tanan as is na siya. Kung say answer 7 ra, 1 ra. Okay? No, wala man naka-indicate dira nga nay reverse scoring, ini wala reverse scoring. Ay na natin na miss. Yes guys. So kanang be careful lang in checking out ang basaw na kumayo bi. Wala man. Okay, but then hinalang siya kaning items kay mao ni siyang intrinsic motivation sa estudyante. Kaning items kay intrinsic motivation niya toward accomplishments, kaning intrinsic motivation to experience simulation, kana siya. Maura na siya ang nakabutang there. But wala siya gina-specify kung reverse ba ang iyang scoring. Okay? So kanina adjud siya asterisk kada item, meaning reverse ang scoring ana niya. Again, kung sa to reverse scoring, no, reverse baliman. So kung 1 ang answer sa respondent, himuon nimo nga 5. Kung 2 iyang answer, himuon nimo nga 4. 3 is as is. Kung 4 iyang answer, himuon nimo 2. Kung 5 iyang answer, himuon nimo of course 1. Alright? That's the reverse scoring. Kanang mga items reversely scored. Alright? Enough for that. So, this is already it's a 5-point Likert scale. I'll go to my SPSS. So, nanan ako naka-input daan. Dili na mo ka maglibog kay sa mga previous na ko nga tutorials, I already informed unsaon pag-input dira sa name, sa values, ug sa measure. Kamalo na ta. Nya. Kanang so dara 1 is strongly disagree, 2 disagree, neutral, 4 is agree, 5 is strongly agree. Okay na siya. So ako siyang i-input ang cars 1 until cars 19 since 19 man. Okay, mubo ra man sad siya, so ako na siyang i-include. And then this is academic performance. So balik ta. So ako na sad na naka-input din ha no, mga scores ano na 30 akong respondents tanan. Okay? So 30 mo itong respondents. And then, let's go to academic performance there. And then, muna yung mga grado sa mga estudyante. And then, saan yun pagkuha ang dera? Yes. What are these? Kaning 3.26, kana usa. These are mean scores. So, si respondent 1, gikan sa cars 1, hangtod sa ni kinalasan din so na ni mga doktor no, sorry kaayo. Cars 19 no, ang iyahang mean score ana tanan is 3.26. Okay, those are the mean scores. Unsa ang ginapagko ang mean scores? So again, transform, compute variable like that. Na siya target variable, function groups, statistical, and then mean. Kabalo na mo ana na discuss na siya. Right? And then if okay na siya guys, mo na makita na siya din dara. And then that's it. How do you get the weighted mean? Unsay weighted mean? Kaning tanan nga gi-add na siya tanan 30 kabuok nga mga kanang mean scores. This is mean scores. Raw man na siya no, mean scores. Tas ang weighted mean is ang iyahang general mean for computer anxiety. Okay? So you go to analyze descriptive statistics. Descriptives lang. Tapos gitagsa-tagsa na siya butang gibutang to si okay, ako balik no. Si computer anxiety, ibutang nimo there. No, kay kana siya mo naman na siya ang mga mean scores nila which is kana. Tapos imo na siya ibutang ra options against mean and standard deviation, mean standard deviation. Just click descending means, continue, and then when you hit okay, ingani na ang mogawas ana. There. Oops. Na. Ano siya dara? So, dara, si computer anxiety, ang iyang mean tanan, this is weighted mean, is 3.16. Ang iyang standard deviation is 0.74. And, sa academic performance pod, the same, gikuha na ko ang iyang weighted mean at turag hapunta sa analyze, descriptive statistics, descriptives. Iputang lang na nato siya, si academic performance sara. And when you hit okay ni academic performance, makita na siya dito nga mauni ang mean ni academic performance is 88.96 and then iyang standard deviation is 7.332. Tas mo ni siya ang kanang fairly satisfactory, pila ka buok, si satisfactory, how many, si very satisfactory, how many, si outstanding, how many. And rasad, so kani siya is to get this, parin nangita kog table nga makita ang academic performance, iyahang mean and SD, and then si computer anxiety mean and SD para masayon nimo ba. Dito ra na gihapon siya analyze, descriptive statistics, descriptives, giputang nimo ang duha. When you click OK, that's what you will get kani siya nga table. Alright, so let's kanang pause kadali and to absorb kani siya nga mga discussion naman na siyang more siyang paspas because ako naman ni siya ni-discuss sa previous yun nga mga tutorial. Okay, ginabalik-balik siya so Charlo dili gihapon makuha no. Ang kasagaran nato nga gamiton guys no, that's why you have to be kana vigilant. So mora na siya nga ato ang i-remember si kani nga transform o si kani nga analyze. Sila ra gid natong magamit sa SPSS actually. The rest ay nananahilabti. So transform analyze ra gid ta, transform analyze. Okay. Yep, we're done. Now, kani siya, nakuha na nato ang, unsay overall mean ni academic performance, 88.96. Yang SD kay 7.32. Unsay overall mean sa computer anxiety? No. So, yang overall mean kay 3.16 and then si standard deviation niya kay 0.74. Okay? So, that's the overall mean nilang duha. Okay, so ang tanong ko, what's the level of, muna siya level nila, what's the level of computer anxiety of the students? So, kana siya, ibutang nimo ang mean SD. And what's the level of academic performance? Ang mean niyan SD gihapon ang imong i-present. Okay? So, same like yun sa, kuan, isa ha? Let's check. Okay, para na kay example. So, if you've noticed, on chapter 4 and chapter 5 guys kay ingon ana kung unsa SOP1 nimo mo sa na imong table 1. So in this case ang SOP1 nako is unsay level of computer anxiety. So ang ibutang dinhi diretso na nga kanang variable is na sa babaw ya computer anxiety sa ubos. Total mean score nato is computer anxiety mean score is 3.16. So ibutang na drag 3.16. Ang SD ni computer anxiety is 0.75 na lang na siya. So 0.75. Okay? And then miss, unsaan ganina siya pagkuha ang kaning range, miss? So ang range, kung ang mean range man na siya, so 3.16, no. And this is a 5-point Likert scale. So sa 5-point Likert scale, same ra gihapon, gihapon to siya. You compute the class interval kani siya, so 0.8 ang interval niya. So 5 minus 0.8 is 4.80. 4.80 minus 0.8 ana. So muna na siya class interval no. That is what you use to get mean range. So if we interpret sa description dinhi, sa imuhang mean, tanawa ha, computer anxiety, your mean is 3.16. So sa table 3.16, asa mean 3.16 mabilong. Dara 3.16 na siya sa average. So ang iyahang description dara should be average. Okay? Kay kuan man na, di ba, ang anxiety is either very high anxiety or very low anxiety. So dira average daya anxiety sa mga students nimo sa 30 correspondents. Alright, you're done with that. Now kanang and then for academic performance, maghihapon to siya sa previous nga discussion na nakoy mga example no. Asa man to? Is this it? Tayo na to. Academic performance. Ay, wala. Ay, dito. So, asa di ito siya? Maybe here. Academic performance. Wala man SPSS, no? Wala, yun dire. Sige na lang. Okay. Let's not, so, kana siya, inig-present nimo sa imuhang academic performance as a student, academic performance. So, ikutang lang nimo ang table ato nga students academic performance. Yan na siya ikuan ha. Na siya kanang marag subheading dira. Like for example, first nimo is parenting style. So, naibutang din ha, then table dayon. Second variable unsa to, school social behavior. So, table 2 gihapon na siya. And then sa last is kanang of course your correlation table, but this time this is the step up level sa correlation, so predictive naman. So kanang iputan nimo predictive correlation between parenting style and school social behavior. So nabutang nga predictive na word. Okay, step up level naman ta. Okay. So sorry na click. Okay, that is now natano sa mean scores and total mean of computer anxiety and total mean of academic performance. Tara. Now let's try to have the regression na. Okay, how do you do regression? Okay, diba, analyze, no? Katong nag-correlation ta, correlate man ta no by variate. Review lang ni ha, review. Correlation na. Yan katong nagkuan ta, compare ta, no? Kay comparative ang imong design, so nag-compare means ka and then independent samples t-test. Alright, so this is this is a kanang review. So that's it. Now, karon is regression naman ta, kay predictive ka. Again, predictive ni siya. So, analyze and then dara, sunod ni si correlate o si regression. So, correlate regression, okay, so analyze regression and then choose the linear one. Alright, so again, analyze regression linear, analyze regression linear, analyze regression linear. Okay, analyze regression linear, check, click, and then sige, saan ipambalik ang mga stuff there. Okay, so kaning mga cars blah blah blah, these are the raw data. Kaning siya mao ni siya ang transformed na data nato, di ba? So, as a study, kanina naingon ako ganina nga, can my computer anxiety significantly predict my grade? Okay, so asa man ako ang predictor, asa akong criterion. So, akong predictor is si computer anxiety. And then ang criterion is academic performance. And then, if you've noticed, independent ang iyang gigamit, no, nga wording. So, ilang kalibog kay wording lang na siya sa SPSS. It doesn't change your design. Alright. So, since akong computer anxiety ang ako ang predictor, siya man ang predict, so, of course, ibutang na ko siya sa independent na tab. Okay, na siya dira. Niya, si academic performance man ang i-predict na ko, which is my criterion, so siya ang mo depend sa kung unsa ang value ni independent, right? So, si academic performance ako i-click din nga dependent. Okay? Again, kaning dependent, independent, kisa ang predictor, kisa ang criterion, dili na siya minugna nato. No, it's also based on what? Very good. It's also based on your related studies. Kaya nga, no, kanang labi na og correlation, ang imong design is predictive, you will be asked nga, since predictive man gid nga design, correlated na ni sila, no? So, you have to prove nga, yeah, they are correlated, kaysa ako ang akong related studies, if you have noticed, sa akong mga related studies, i-present na nimo mga related studies nimo, nga sa related studies nimo, na prove na gyud nga correlated sila, that's why gi-apply na ang predictive. Step up level man ang predictive good, step up level. Okay? So, yeah, dapat jud nga need jud siya nga kanang maka-support ninyo yung chapter 2, review of related literature, review of related studies, nga nakita na dira sa related studies nga correlated jud na sila daan, and then nanay mga findings, results nga it can predict the other variable. So, nanano siya, chika kay ko, computer, so, dependent na ako is academic performance, independent is computer anxiety. let's hit on statistics. So naka-check na daan ang model fit, tapos naka-check na daan si estimates. So kani siya diri ako ning i-click si confidence intervals. Ni-click mo sa confidence intervals 95% na siya diretso. Leave it as is. Then click descriptives. And then mo na siya ang imong ipang kuan din ha. So make sure na click estimates, click confidence intervals at 95%. Click model fit, and then click descriptives, and then just click continue and click OK. Pack. Naghanap kayo na siyang manggawas dara. Alright. Ta-da! Pearson correlation. And then kanang wait lang ha. So kani variable, summary, regression, ANOVA, coefficients, may charts, and then po chart din hin, sana all. Alright. Miss, nagana ni Miss, oy. Kalma. Relax ta during the pita. Relax. Okay. So, relax lang siya ta for a while. This is kanira ang imuhang needed nga mga dapat mahibalaan. Alright. So, kung siyang gi-highlight, kani siya, si correlations. Si correlations nga table. Sina ang aning miss? Huh? Diha ra ka magtan-aw, diha ra sa ta magbase sa atuang table. Okay. Let's go to this one. R value, P value, so mag-add ko so may wait lang ha. Okay, talagyan lang ta mag-add kanang, alright, kalma lang mga best. Just miss. Alright, so if you've noticed, no, diba, sa atong correlation kay sig 2-tailed, but this one is sig 1-tailed ra siya. And insert, draw a table. Sige, may makita mo drawing. Ay, hala, di siya may pero nga sa di drawing din hiyo para na justice. Di jud siya day. Di na lang na siya na to ikuan hilabtan. Okay, just leave it as is, and okay, kung magtabos ay nala siya may anyways, highways ani na lang para dili ta mag go all. I'm gonna make out table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert a table there. So, ano lang siya na to? Variable, CR value. And then, you are very familiar na kay because sa kaning mga R value, P value, ever since first pa na ko nga tutorial on SPSS, kaya ako na dyan na siyang discuss. Okay? So, of course, hindi na ta malibog ana. Unless siguro wala mong tanaw. Oh my goodness. No. And then that's your kuan ha. And then just to delete the table. Delete. Alrighty. P value kanang ano man siya R squared good R. Wala, oh my. Ang squared ani ba kay unsa ni siya kadang this is insert a symbol, maybe more symbols, 2 ba nga squared naa ba ni diri? Hello, actually butang siya, pwede sa siya dr squared ay lagi yung rag 9 but wala lagi direct number 2. Ay, wait, So, anyhow, kamusta man mo? Char. Vlog lang, miss. Yeah, I hope everybody is doing fine, doing well, and you have to take care of yourself in this pandemic because kanang ano siya, lisod lang jud ang mga kani siya, I mean is that ours? Dili siya di siya sa babaw. No, basta r squared na siya. Ano lang ni ano there be. And no, what's happening? R squared. Okay, ano. And p-value is there still. Ay, shows. Right. Sige lang siya. Bold, and then there. And, okay, ano lang na siya. Sige. So, regression, predictive correlational design. And, sa ako mga, di ba, correlation naman kita, katong descriptive correlational. Nga niingon, nga level of significance nato is 0.05, and then, kanang say tawag ani p-value is more than 0.05 accept the null hypothesis, and then okay, so dili lang kita tan-aw sa correlations, daghan kay siya mo pop basta sa ano residual statistics, unsa pa na siya constant computer anxiety, unsa iha mo unstandardized and standardized coefficients, ANOVA, yeah, so dili lang kita magtan-aw sa correlations. If you've noticed, kani sa model summary, ang R niya, no, diba, to Pearson R is gamay man nga R. Kaning R gihapon niya is, we can still use this man in interpreting our predictive nga design. If you notice, ang R niya is 0.030, and then if mana ka din ang Pearson correlation is 0.030. So, the same ragit siya, no? Okay. So, let's go ahead and type in computer anxiety. Alright, computer anxiety, and then academic performance. Okay, yeah. Alright, nasa man ang R value. Sa ganito si R, si Pearson correlation. So, 0.030, or if you can see, ang R niya is there, diba? Oh, tako nga R, hindi siya gamay nga R. 0.030. 0.030. Go ahead. Ano siya? 0.030. Same ra na sila og result. Diha. Then, ang R squared niya, naara dira, R squared is 0.001. Just putang dira, 0.001, 0.001, P dot. Alright. And, P-value. Unsa ganito si P-value? No, katong na-discuss na nato sa correlational nga design, unsa na ang p-value. Okay? So p-value is, kung ang R value is the Pearson correlation, ang p-value is the sig two-tailed man to before, karon is sig one-tailed na lang man. So sig one-tailed mao na siyang value nimo for p. And then that is 0.438. Okay, ta ka ana. No, sig one-tailed 0.438. So butang dara 0.438. And so diri na nata diri sa decision whether to accept or not accept null hypothesis, and then unsa interpretation, significant ba siya or not significant, does this significantly predict or not, it does not predict at all. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to this one na ato ang dara interpretation of the R. So R value, okay, pila ta tong R value guys, dara 0.03, no, 0.03. So asa man ang 0.03 ani, 0.03 man, so 03 is here, very weak. Ay, very weak, so dili ni makapredict. Okay, let's see. So, very weak siya. And then, ang ihang p-value is kani, so, ato na lang ibutang din no, nga, na siya sa very weak category. Very weak category. Okay. And then, si p-value is 0.438. Na nasa ta sa level of significance balik. So, if p is more than 0.05, so, of course, more than 0.05 man yun ni si 0.438. So, accept the null hypothesis. Okay, so accept HO, and then, if ma-accept sa null hypothesis, yes, wala na significant relationship. So, it's not significant, it does not significantly predict. So, makaingon ka nga ang ako ang computer anxiety, which is my independent variable, does not significantly predict the academic performance. So regardless if taas siya anxiety or low siya anxiety, dili siya makapredict sa grado sa estudyante. Ingana siya day. So mo na siya. No, okay, not significant man. Alright, so that is it. That's the end of regression. Okay, so again, ato ka, no, analyze, regression linear, select dependent, independent, make sure that the statistics is kana, and then that's it. Descriptives, model fit, estimates, click mo na to siya niya, pop up na ni siya, and then diri ra imong tan-awon si correlation sa nga box sa kadaghan sa magawas ng mga ANOVA coefficients pa, residual statistics, no? Okay, and then mo na siya day. That's it. That is it. Correlations tan-awa lang. And that's all for, again ha, this is a recap for everything na. So analyze, if compare means mo na siya, independent samples t-test, this is what? Very good. Comparative design. Okay? Na kay usa ka variable, i-compare ni mo ang two groups. And then next, analyze, correlate, bivariate, unsa na? Very good. If descriptive, correlational, nangitag significant relationship. Step up ka na, ato na ka sa regression, which is karon atong discuss linear. Tas mag-ano lang ka sa imong dependent o independent. Okay? Alright. So that's it. Thank you for listening. And again, please go kanang check the other nga mga tutorials kay para mas ma-fully understand nimo gani. The more ka magsigig tan-aw siya SPSS nga mga lesson, the more maka-understand ka unsaon pag-maneuver para dili ka masaag, dili ka maglibog. Again, mo na atong taman ang transform ug analyze ra. Dili na maglibog, na sila gatapad. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you everyone class on our next virtual online synchronous class. And kanang stay safe, stay healthy, and fighting with your researchers. And so I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys, and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.